Today, we are going to see a subject how not to lose hope on any situation. Means, whenever there is a problem comes to us, what we do is the mind will immediately try to put us down. Means, mind will keep on giving the negative feedbacks. Oh, this has happened to you. This may will happen to you, and it will become a chain of thoughts. So, this is what the way most of the human beings are reacting nowadays. When I say reacting, without knowing the issues, without knowing the real problem, or without knowing the real situation, what we do is we try to react. For that, the result will not be a fruitful result. Instead of that, if there is a situation given to you, what one supposed to do is one has to react. React means, sorry, one has to react based on the act. Means, first think about act. Okay, this is the situation and what needs to be done. Let me tell you the difference between act and react. Act has to come first and the action has to come second. Means you have to know what is the situation given to you. It could be any situation in your lifetime. It could be anything. But try to find out what exactly is the problem. If we try to find out it, the path of that road, the path of that way itself gives so much confidence to you instead of getting into panic mode. This is the one thing which I would like to tell all my um, whoever is watching this. That is the one thing. The second thing is, whenever you look at a problem within you, you can't get the proper answer or proper guidance to deal with it. Instead of that, look at your problem as a situation given to you and then try to look at as an outsider, or try to look at your problem which you are sitting inside you. Means connecting with yourself. When I say yourself, not your mind, something you have to connect with yourself and then try to look at it. Then you will get the solution for that. Otherwise, it's very difficult to handle a situation, especially the situation which is complicated. So one has to look at the problem as a situation and then see the difference. When you act, then there is a guarantee for your consequences. You know, you visualize, okay, this is what going to happen. When you react, you simply don't understand what is the issue and you try to react just like that. This is what most of the people are doing the mistake. For that, one has to, if you really wants to practice this, one has to do meditation and yoga. This will make a person to stabilize body and mind. That is the only way to get into a long-term problem solver or a stable person. The stable person has to cultivate the body and mind to see a situation as the real situation, not like that. Oh, this has happened. I have to do this, do that, do that. That means you are not giving any kind of, means you are not giving yourself. You are not attending yourself. Yourself is entirely different from your mind. One has to go beyond mind and try to handle a situation. Then nobody will not lose their hope.